If you're losing money in this market, then I guarantee these three symbols will go up anytime that the markets are moving down. I call them the three ticker symbols you must trade in a bear market, and I'll share them all with you today.
You are welcome.
This might be the most critical episode that I post all year, so let's go. It's Trade Talk Tuesday. All right, you've got a life to live, so we're just gonna dive right in, all right? The three ticker symbols you must trade in a bear market are as follows. Here they are: QID, DXD, and SDS, all right? All three are leveraged pro shares ultra short plays. The QID is ultra short on the triple Q, NASDAQ. The DXD is ultra short on the Dow 30, and the SDS is ultra short on the S&P 500. So let's break this down. Here's how they work. These three inverse assets were created in 2006, and they're designed specifically to help investors protect their portfolios from market declines. The ProShares website describes them like this. It says, these ETFs enhance returns and manage risk. So they're 2 times leveraged assets, which means that they move at a rate of 2 times the inverse of their respective benchmark index.
Wait, what?
So in other words, if the Dow is down 3% on the day, then the DXD is designed to move up 6% on the day. So see how that works? It's twice the inverse. And the same deal goes with QID and SDS. If the S&P 500 is down 2% on any given day, the SDS moves up 4%. And if the NASDAQ, say the NASDAQ's down 5% on the day, then the QID on that day is designed to move up 10%.
Okay, I get it.
So here, check out this chart. This compares the NASDAQ, which is in the line in black, and the QID, which is the line in blue. And you're going to see how this correlation works. It's clear as day, right? So see how the blue line moves up when the black line moves down? And also see how the gain to loss ratio, see how that's 2 to 1? This is why these three leveraged assets are so important for you to understand. Because here's the thing, right now in the $5.9 trillion universe of US listed assets, these protective leveraged assets only account for around 1% of the total volume. So when you see a stat like that, this tells me that hardly anyone is trading these. And that's why most people lose money when markets go down.
Will you listen to me?
This is key, right? These assets, they reset daily, so you don't want to just buy them and hold them. They're intended to be bought on big market sell-off days, which will then protect you against violent downside moves. So the way to think about it is like this, all right? Say the market is a big circus, right? And you're the trapeze artist, right? So you're out there, you're doing flips, you're jumping around, but if you don't know how to trade the QID or the SDS or the DXD, then you don't have a safety net. Now, yeah, if you perform flawlessly, then, great, no problem. But if you fall, that concrete below, that's very, very hard. And it only takes one slip up for you to just go splat, right? So the SDS, the QID, and the DXD, those are your portfolio safety nets. Or think about it like this. Say you just bought yourself a new Maserati, right? The first thing that you're gonna do with your new Maserati is you're gonna call your car insurance company and you're gonna beef up your insurance policy. So that way, you're on the Autobahn in Germany, you're pushing 100 miles per hour. Even if you happen to get into a car crash, you're gonna be protected. Well, would you ever drive your Maserati without car insurance?
I will not.
Well, that's illegal, first of all, but that makes the point even stronger. If car insurance is required for you to drive a car, shouldn't portfolio insurance also be required for you to trade? Well, it's not, but I'm going to save that for a different day's rant. The point here today is that the QID, the DXD, and the SDS are critical in market downturns. They reduce your losses, they protect you against a crash, and they allow you to sleep at night knowing that you have a way to reduce your market risk. And better yet, if you play call options on these assets, your leverage increases even more in a downside market. Here, let me show you what I mean, right? Pull up my track record trading just the DXD. Yeah, check that out, right? 22 trades, 82% win rate, and an 11% average weighted return, which accounts for nearly 500% annualized return. I mean, this is all from trading downside protection. All right, spoiler alert, my members love it every time I make these trades because it protects them in big market downturns. So check this out. Tammany Dove, she says, so glad I signed up. It probably saved my 401k. And I could read off all these testimonials here. Check out this screenshot, right? It shows you all of the notes that were posted after I closed a recent winner on the QID, right? I can read them off, but you get the point. SDS, DXD, QID, these assets can be lifesavers for you in a down market. So the big question is, how do you trade them? How do you know when to get in? How do you know when to get out? Well, that's where the War Room comes in. The War Room, that's my real-time trading platform that tells you exactly when to get in and exactly when to get out. It's the most powerful real-time trading community in existence today. And if this video today resonated with you, if you want to trade all these protective assets and protect yourself from market downturns, then today you're invited to join us.
Join me.
If you're ready to take the next step and start profiting even when markets go down, then click that link below and get more information on the War Room. And there you have it. That's your Trade Talk Tuesday episode for today. As always, I'm Bryan. Stop hating, start trading, start protecting yourself, start trading these ultra short assets. I will show you exactly how to do it. I'll see you soon and cue my exit music.